Hey there, sharks. I'm going to give you just a quick tip of how to put videos into your Google Slides when you're on your iPad. You might already have your slides open and made. You'll notice if you go to the slide where you want the video and you click your plus sign, you try to choose from images, from your photos, none of your videos appear. Even if you were to click the albums button, your videos are just not there. So you're going to have to use this hack instead. Rather than using the app, you're going to go ahead and open up your favorite web browser, Chrome or Safari, and you're going to actually have to type in on a new tab slides.google.com and go to the web version. Do not click that button there to open the app. No. You want to keep using the web version. So once it opens up, your Google Slides should all be there, including whatever one you're currently working on for your class. So you go ahead and tap it and open it. It looks a little bit different, I know, but you'll figure it out. You're going to go to whatever slide you want the video on, and at the top, click Insert. It's along the top there, the different menu options. Go to Insert, then choose Video. It's the fourth one down on the list. From here, you can copy and paste a YouTube video link if that's what you're using, or you can search by URL, which is like a video on some other website or whatever. Or if it's a video that you have on your own iPad, you can upload that video to your Google Drive, and then from your drive, you can see all the videos that you've uploaded from your iPad. I'm going to pick, I don't know, a random one, I guess, of my daughter using a green screen at the Science Museum. Once I've clicked it, then the blue box that says Select is available. I click that, and now my video is right there in the slides. And if you're using this web version, you've got different, options to edit. But now, if you want to keep working in the Slides app, eventually it'll refresh and your video should be there on this page in the app too. So there you go. That's your hack for adding videos to your slides.